Hello guys, here's a question before us. A force of 16 Newton applied to a 40 kilogram block that is at rest, okay, on a smooth horizontal surface. What is the velocity of the block at time 5 seconds? Exactly. So this question, let's begin with solution. We want to extract the parameters of this question, beginning with the force given to us. Given parameters, F is equal to 16 Newton. Then we have our mass to be 40 kg. Then our time is 5 seconds. So our V is unknown. Is that clear? Hence, let's use the formula F, okay, is equal to ma. I hope you are getting this. F is equal to ma. But recall from the question we don't have acceleration a, yeah? So, but a is equal to v over t, right? So, let's look for a. Let's find a. Then we'll substitute that into F is equal to ma. I hope that is clear. Then, now let's substitute a is equal to v over t into F is equal to ma. Then F is equal to mv over t. Let's make v the subject of the formula by cross multiplying and dividing through by. So we have v is equal to ft over m. I hope that is clear. Then let's proceed further. We'll have v is equal to 16 multiplied by 5 divided by 40. 16 by 5 is 80 divided by 40. Hence you have 2 meters per second. I hope this was clear. So that is the solution to this question. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the TRiUNE Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.